Welcome back to the channel, Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna install this pretty cool thing. It's around the shifter here in the console, carbon fiber cover, and it's good for any new body style facelifted Outlander gas and also a PHEV model. And this one is a very nice trim piece because it's actual real carbon fiber. It's not look alike. So this is the real deal. It actually is real carbon fiber. That's why it looks so cool. And to install it is fairly simple. Let's do those install steps right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this armrest up so we have the entire real estate here available to us. We need to clean everything off the fingerprints and grease and everything else. I use the glass cleaner. You can use the alcohol rub, anything else you might find for that. And then we wanna just place it where it's gonna be. And this one is a tricky moment because you wanna not to mess your area and angles and everything else. So just take your time, find the perfect spot, and you'll have it. And this is also an excellent trim piece if you had your Outlander already for a while. Maybe you don't like that glare because it's that piano gloss that gives a lot of glare, or maybe you already have a few scratches and you will cover it. So okay, let's see. I think I'm very happy with how it is, and now I want to just make sure it stays where it is. I hold one end like this and then just remove a little bit of this red tape. And once that is done, we just allow it to rest in the same place where we know that we're going to be happy with where it sits. Okay, got a little bit sticky here where it shouldn't. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now I'm good. So we need to make sure that it lands exactly where we want it to be. Okay, I'm happy here. And then I just want to flip it back, remove the entire thing, and then just sort of glide it in its position where it should be. So there we go. And now just apply a little bit pressure here so it sticks on real nicely. Okay, once it's done, we just fold the armrest down again, and that's it. We have installed a beautiful central console carbon fiber trim piece that enhances the look, protects from scratching, and it looks really, really cool. And it was easy to install, and it adds a lot of visual effect, especially to protect from this glare and the extra scratches. So there we go. So this one here you can find on my accessory site, mrmitsubishi.ca. You can order one for yourself and install it super easily, just like I did on this one. So thanks again, and see you next time around.